So tune up and see. Yeah! Today we have the most special episode of all time.
Wait, you're looking at Starship heat shield.
That's right, we have SpaceX Starship heat shield here. Whoa! This little boy here is obsessed with rockets.
And with robots and tanks and missiles.
Okay, there's many things, but especially rockets. He's loved rockets since he was a tiny baby. We have paper rockets, little rockets, big rockets, medium rockets, stuffed Saturn V rocket. We have so many rockets in this house. We're going crazy. He's wearing his special astronaut suit. Look at that.
With many pets.
We actually got our hands on real heat shield thermal tiles from a SpaceX Starship rocket. This rocket launched out of Boca Chica and it had a failure and it exploded. Debris landed in the ocean where people gathered these pieces of thermal tiles and we got our hands on some samples.
May I have one?
Yeah, why don't you hold that? It is very flaky, so let's hold it very gentle.
This black used to protect the rocket from the heat when it came down.
You're absolutely
It got
right.
very, very hot.
That's exactly what its purpose is.
It could get all burned.
Burned, he's right about that. It did get burned. Let's take a look at this thermal tile, guys. 5X, here we go. Whoa, that's the thermal tile under magnification. It's clearly black and it has...
I see a little thing in the middle.
Now, this material is called tooth rock and it's a very dense ceramic. So it... Oh! Yes! So we play with these rockets all the time. It's made out of tooth rock, which can withstand temperatures all the way to 2,900 degrees. Let's go to 10X now, guys. 10X, here we come! Whoa! There it is. That's 10X.
You know what it looks like to me? When the Starship exploded, the heat shield fell in the ocean and people decided to pick it up.
That's right. Yes, they did do that. They scavenge on the beach and they pick up the little thermal tile debris. What do you know about Starship?
I know that it has 33 Raptor engines.
It has 33 Raptor engines. That's right. Oh my gosh, how did you know that? Yeah, it's still in development. They're still testing it out. Let's explore what that damaged tile really looks like under the microscope. 20X, here we come. There is under 20X. So this tile has to withstand temperatures upwards of 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow!
Wow. It protects the rocket and keeps everything inside safe and secure. This one looks obviously like it underwent some serious damage. The fire really burned it as it came and also when it exploded. Let's look at 50X to see what that's about. 50X!
Yeah, here we go!
Whoa, there's 50X! What is that?
It looks like a lobster.
A lobster? Well, lobsters haven't ridden on the SpaceX Starship rocket. At least not yet.
Do you see that? That's probably fire when the Starship exploded. But the heat shield protected it.
That's right, it did protect it. Wow, we have so many rockets here. I love rockets. We love looking at rockets. We went to Kennedy Space Center to see the launch of a SpaceX Falcon 9. So what did you think of the thermal tile from the SpaceX Starship rocket?
We love it!
You love it!
Yay!
Wow, I really love it too. We love rockets in this house. I will go on the record right now and say that this little kid here will one day become an astronaut. We'll see. He wants to be a scientist. Okay.
I'm just building rockets.
Yeah, he wants to build rockets. Okay, there we go. So there you have it, folks. Thank you for joining. He wants to do it. Okay.
And we explore the unseen
Universe! Thank you for joining us. Come back next time.